Sorry, plant. I'll pick you up on you. Well, howdy everyone, Happy New Year's. Had some trouble getting Fluff Butt going this morning. I think I got some junk or water or something in my gas tank, because once she gets warmed up, she's fine. Getting her warmed up, on the other hand, that's a whole nother story. So I had kind of a junky, not junky, but just not what you expect. Christmas Eve, we were all pretty sick with the flu. Bad flu too, not the stomach type flu, just really bad fever. And all the boys ended up getting it first, and then of course I picked it up taking care of the boys. And my girls soon picked it up after that, even though we tried to keep everyone separated. But it's that time of year, and it's the first time we've actually had a decent fever, flu, cold, what have you, in about 6 months, so can't complain much on that end of things. Either way, it is New Year's Eve. You guys have a wonderful, happy New Year's, and hopefully you can get all those achievements and goals started out in the next week or two here, because I know that's the biggest deal for most people, is being able to get those things started. And of course, myself, with having a fever, I'm working 10 hours today. It's going to be hard to start some of those goals. One of them being running every day. I promised myself a long time ago when I started running, and made the mistake a number of times before I learned, that you don't run and exercise when you're sick. It's just not worth it. The recoveries just exceed... Come on, headlight. There we go. The recovery just makes things so much worse. Or it just makes the recovery so much longer, and you know, you're not going to get any gains or anything, except for maybe mental gains. So yeah, you really need to just chill out, let your body heal, relax. You know, work on something maybe a little bit lesser impact and what have you, like stretching. But anyway, I do like New Year's. It's one of those days that it feels like all the weight can come off your shoulders. You can start something new. Anything that you've been hanging on to from the last year, you know, this gives you a chance to let all that go. I don't really subscribe to the whole new year, new me thing, but I do always try to do something new every year to improve myself. But the reason I don't subscribe to it is I don't believe that you have to wait till New Year's to do that kind of thing. You can really do that any day, any point in the day. You don't have to wait until it's a new week, or it's, you know, after lunch, or whatever. Just, if you're going to make a positive change in yourself, just make the positive change. Be the positive change and live it. Anyway, guys, sorry for the kind of rambling talk today, because it is New Year's and I really should have something really cool and momentous to say, but I am still running a fever, and it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to drive in the snow, and so you'll have to take my apologies. Either way, find something awesome about your day, like surviving fever, New Year's, and not being hungover, just fever, and share it with someone, eh? Thanks, guys. Have a good one.